Are you concerned about what artificial intelligence might mean for your future career prospects? Well, there's a major new study out today from the National Youth Council of Ireland which spoke to a range of young people to assess their concerns and fears when it comes to AI. The council has arranged an event here at Dublin City University today where young people are trialling AI technologies and giving their views on artificial intelligence.
Young people are enthusiastic and they are interested in AI, but they're more interested in what the government can do to prioritise the well-being of people and the jobs and keeping everyone okay. I feel if someone's doing a college course for 4 years, they shouldn't be worried at the end of it if AI will take their job. I feel there needs to be more of responsibility on the government and also just them to reassure people that, AI will grow with them and employment won't just come to an end.
Actors are being made by ChatGPT. There are art pieces made by AI. There is music being made by AI now, and it's very hard to find encouragement to go into these industries when AI is almost taking over them in a way. There's something in the humanity behind art that AI just can't replicate.
Our jury proposed that the government make its own AI model which would prompt students rather than giving them full answers to questions. So it would stop any sort of cheating while also helping students.
One of the central messages from this report is that while there are many positives with AI, there are also very many concerns from young people, and that it's a journey they won't be able to navigate on their own, with help required at government level when it comes to regulation and protection.